If you're a business owner or are always busy in general at your work, then you know it can often be very difficult to keep track of everything you have to do, which is why Microsoft has released the Microsoft To Do application, so people like you can carry out work efficiently and complete all tasks that need to be done. So I'm going to be giving you a wee introduction to the platform, just so you can get a feel of what it can do. So it comes as a mobile application as well as a desktop version, and in here you're provided with the My Day page, which is pretty self-explanatory as it's where you plan and write down everything you need to do in that day. In the top right corner, you then have the menu, which includes My Day, Important, Planned, and Tasks. So when you're adding tasks to My Day, for example, buy milk or pick up the kids from school, it adds these into the task list. So when you go into your task list, you'll see all tasks you've created, and in this list, you can even see the ones you've added but haven't assigned to a specific day. You can choose certain existing tasks and move them into My Day, which would be today's tasks. Say you've added a task to your list, but it's actually quite a big job that includes a bunch of smaller errands. You can easily go into the task and add steps. This helps break the task up and makes it a lot easier to carry out or keep track of. In the task editor, you can add a due date, a reminder, attach files, enter notes, or choose to repeat it if it's something you do more than once. With the reminder function, you can select a specific day and time in which you will receive a notification reminding you to complete the task. You can also label it as important so you know it's a priority to complete. Okay guys, so for now I've only really went over the main feature of the Microsoft To Do application, but it's quite clearly a valuable tool if you have a lot on your plate. It will save you time, simplify tasks, and ensure nothing goes undone. So if you're interested in it and want to learn more, please get in touch and we'd be happy to take a deeper dive into the software. I'll see you on the next one.